Quilt Nation Cool Marine here. So I know it's been a while, and you know why it's been a while, because I've been working on learning my new long arm. I have my Tin Lizzie, and I love this thing. I absolutely love it. So I just completed a quilt, and it's the quilt that I'm taking up to Shipshewana for a Stitch in Heaven. We're having our, what do you call it? It's a land ahoy. My wife's whispering the words, and I'm trying. Land ahoy at Shipshewana, Indiana. It's going to be from the 6th to the 7th. Well, actually the 8th through the 13th, and it's going to be a great time. So next month. It's going to be next month. Myself, we'll be up there. We're going to teach. We're going to have a great time. It'll be my first event with Stitch in Heaven and a landlocked location. Okay, so no sea legs. Don't worry about it. We'll be good. So I just wanted to brief you on my Tin Lizzie. I didn't know how fun it is to have a long arm. You know, and to be honest, you know, I'm not looking down on those who don't, because look how long it took me to get one, right? I was so left or right about getting one because I could do a lot of the stuff on a tabletop machine, and my Bernina is the bomb. I love it, okay? But I've always wanted to learn how to long arm, right? I wanted to take some classes. I never got to a class because classes in my area are very rare, and I have to travel to catch a class, all right? I live in Powder Springs, Georgia, and to find a class, I'd have to go somewhere pretty far. So I'm teaching myself, just like with quilting. I taught myself. I think I can do it. I learned it. I'm practicing my own, you know, my own free motion. My machine does not have a motor. I'm gonna free motion everything. Pantograph. So this quilt that I'm putting on right now, this is my Punisher quilt. I'm putting it on the table now, and I'm gonna pantograph it. So those of you who don't know, pantographs are these pre-prints that you get, and you put them on the table. They're right there. And I don't know if you guys can see that. And you trace the stitch with the laser, right? I'm pretty good at that. So I think pantographs may be my thing. I'm not talking down on it, but you know, I feel closer to the completion of my quilts when I'm free motion. You know, I'm actually doing the quilting it myself, and I love looking forward to doing that. So I just peeled the quilt off that I'm going to be taking up to Shipshewana, and that quilt came out pretty good. I did a meander stitch on it because I didn't want to get lost, right? Because you could put yourself in a corner real quick with a long arm. No worries. So the update. This thing is amazing, and I'm mad that I didn't get one earlier, but I'm glad I have one now. You know what I mean? So when we come back, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how I put my backing on, right? So a lot of people, they don't like using the pins, and I didn't like this pins either. I didn't want to learn with pins because I'm a new long armer, so I want to use new techniques. So I'm using magnets, and these magnets are super, super hard. They click in. And these aren't those magnets that, I forget the name of them, but there's a brand out there that they make specifically for long armors and quilters, okay? But I got these off Amazon, and they're hard to pull off, and they do the job, right? So I try to go smarter, not harder, and they're working. But when we come back, we're gonna do a long video on how I get my quilt back on, how I mount the Punisher, and we'll go forward from there. When I show you the things about the Tin Lizzie, they're really made, Tin Lizzie, this Tin Lizzie is made for Marines, right? You cannot mess it up, right? You push a button, and you push a button, and you go, right? Some of these long arms can be really, really intimidating. Some of them can be really, really technical, which I'm not into. I just want to send stitches down range. That's it. Get it done, get out. You know how I do it, right? So, I'm good. My wife's good. And I just want to update you on what's going on. I don't want you guys getting lost. It's going well, okay? I know you're looking at what's behind me. We're going to talk about it. I love this thing. This thing is great. So, without further ado, please subscribe. And remember, it's only fabric and it's only thread.